The Outback has always had the off-roading ability from the assembly line itself. However, Subaru also offered a special wilderness package with the Outback SUV. This wilderness package packs the great Outback with even more exterior, interior, and mechanical off-roading equipment to make it more confident off the asphalt. So let's look at 10 reasons why you should buy the 2023 Subaru Outback Wilderness. Compared to the standard Subaru Outback, the Wilderness model shows its difference from a mere glance itself. The front fascia of the Outback Wilderness sports plastic cladding that extends up the nose and above the wheel wells to protect the paint. Where the regular Outback sports chrome, the Wilderness is actually all black, featuring tow hooks and roof rail tie-downs. The Wilderness package also adds a rugged skid plate to protect the underbody from when you're out on the trail. The turbocharged engine of the Subaru Outback Wilderness gives it plenty of kick. The Subaru Outback comes with a 2.5-liter flat four-cylinder which makes 182 horsepower. However, with the Wilderness package, customers get a 2.4-liter turbocharger engine which churns out 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque. Sure, it isn't mind-blowing, but mated with the all-wheel drive powertrain, the Outback Wilderness presents a great package. The Subaru Outback Wilderness also comes with a shortened final drive ratio of 4:44:1, and the CVT makes for a good ride. Sure, neither the standard Outback nor the Wilderness are SUVs you want to be racing down highways in, but on off-road trails, it certainly is a vehicle you want to be in. When compared to the standard Outback SUV, the Wilderness rides higher. While the standard Subaru Outback has a ground clearance of 8.7 inches, the Outback Wilderness takes that up to 9.5 inches. In off-roading situations where your Outback is traversing over rocks and stones, the added ground clearance of the Wilderness Outback is definitely a boon. The X mode of the Subaru Outback Wilderness can handle every terrain. The Subaru Outback Wilderness sports an off-road X mode, which presents two drivability options. The Outback Wilderness has a snow dirt mode which minimizes wheel spin, making it a great feature to have for slippery and slick environments. Then there's the deep snow mud mode which helps the Wilderness stay in control in deep and sticky terrains. The X mode on the SUV can also alter the speed of the vehicle according to the road conditions, which it recognizes through feedback from the brakes. Subaru offers more rugged all-terrain tires on the Outback Wilderness. Not only does the Subaru Outback Wilderness ride higher, but it also comes with better wheels which are more capable on every terrain. The Outback Wilderness rides on Yokohama Geolandar all-terrain wheels, which are more aggressive and capable outdoors. The Wilderness model of the Subaru Outback also enhances the towing capacity of the car. Whereas the standard Outback with the 2.5-liter engine can tow up to 2,700 pounds, the Wilderness Outback takes that up to 3,500 pounds. Even if you have a boat or a heavy trailer, the Outback Wilderness wouldn't break a sweat when you need it towed. Plus, the roof rack of the Subaru Outback Wilderness can haul up to an impressive 220 pounds in motion. The Outback Wilderness features a rugged and outdoorsy cabin. The Subaru Outback Wilderness also has a handsome interior that would leave occupants impressed whenever they are inside the cabin. The cabin boasts a special Subaru StarTex fabric which is hydrophobic and dark, avoiding muddy marks for when you're outside, making good use of the X mode. It isn't just the StarTex upholstery inside that makes the cabin of the Subaru Outback Wilderness great. Subaru also offers plenty of great features with the Wilderness Outback. The 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen is certainly the star of the show over at the center console. Additionally, both the cargo area and the seat back are also waterproof, and the seats also feature optional heaters. A comfortable interior along with plenty of features make the Subaru Outback Wilderness make the SUV a great place to be inside for every single passenger. The off-roading chops of the Outback Wilderness do not take away from the SUV's plush and composed ride quality. Regardless of the terrain, the X mode on the Wilderness keeps it stable everywhere. The fuel efficiency of the SUV is also quite impressive. The Subaru Outback Wilderness returns 22 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway, which, for a turbocharged SUV that can tow up to 3,500 pounds, is pretty impressive. The Subaru Outback Wilderness will certainly keep your family safe everywhere. When it comes to driving around in a vehicle that will have your entire family inside, safety is paramount. In fact, for an off-road focused SUV that can veer off the tarmac and remain confident during the occasional weekend adventure off-road, safety becomes even more important. That is yet another aspect where the Subaru Outback excels, boasting a good rating in every department from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. That is what earned the Subaru Outback SUV a top safety pick plus award from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety.